Hi, it's Eebie from Southern Twist Yarns, and today I'm going to show you how to do the I-cord bobble that's in my Waves and Shells pattern. It's a little shoulder warmer, and when I designed the pattern I wanted to create a bobble that you didn't have to turn your knitting back and forth like a standard bobble. I just wanted you to be able to knit the bobble and have fun, so that's what I'm going to show you today. On the row of the pattern that I'm on, I happen to know that the first stitch is an SSK, so let me go ahead and do my SSK. And then I'm going to knit these next stitches. And now I'm ready to make my I-cord bobble. So there's a yarn over in the pattern as well before that bobble. And now what I'm going to do in this stitch is I'm going to do a knit front and back. So I'm going to knit in the front leg, I'm going to knit in the back leg and the front leg. So now I've created those 3 stitches out of the one stitch. And I'm going to slide all 3 stitches back to my left hand needle. And I'm going to knit all 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to slip the 3 stitches back to my left-handed needle for the second time and knit them again. 1, 2, 3. So now the next step is I'm going to be lifting the 3rd stitch away from the tip of my needle up over the first 2 stitches and off. I'm going to lift up the 2nd stitch away from the tip, up and over the top and back down to 1 stitch, and now just give it a little tug there. And there's your little I-cord bobble. Isn't that cute?